Hey my friends, welcome back. Yeah, as you can see in today's video, we do this bit larger cloud painting here. Start by grabbing some linseed oil and some brushes, you can see, a bit larger ones. And then we're gonna start to mix the first layer of colors. Basically just 4 colors I'm gonna use. It's kind of the underpainting, the background color, more or less. So I'm mixing just 4 base colors. Actually 3 more or less. And start with the darkest one, the very blue one, you can see here. Really try to apply the color very thick, cover the white of the canvas as best as possible. Then I go on and start to apply this very bright color here. It's kind of a base color for the cloud body itself. I also try to get in some softness on the edge. And then I start to build up the very dark colors for the darker cloud bodies in the front. See, very rough. Extending them into the brighter color on the right side. Then I let it dry for, I think, nearly 2 weeks. And then grab some smaller brushes, start to mix the color for the second layer. Really make sure it's bone dry, first layer. Otherwise it might lift up again. And then I mix some lighter blue color. Start to build up the lighter cloud parts on the upper end. See, very sloppy putting them on. And then I grab a very ragged brush. Very soft ones. All of them actually. Start to wipe in those colors. See, right, left, up and down. Really just a bit of color and kind of letting it fade out. More or less. In detail. See, we have nearly no color on the brush. It's like you kind of wiped it out. And by twisting the brush and getting up and down, left and right, I apply a very thin layer of color. Basically to put in those very fine cloud details here. A little mixing process. See, I'm using hints of color. It actually takes me quite a while to get to these colors. Actually, really trying to mix them according to my reference photo. See, I'm going back and forth, adding hints of color. Just really show you the detailed process of color mixing. And then I grab a very small, very soft brush, start to build up the edge of the cloud body itself. Looks at the moment very horrible, but then I get another brush, start to rework the edge of the edge again, as you can see here. Some of you might think, what the is he doing here? Bit of a overflow, but I really think it's necessary to make a cloud body look like a cloud body. People kind of mess it up all the time. They kind of paint clouds like they were cut out, and this is wrong, guys. And this is really a very big mistake. Therefore, just take the time and also take the time and get in the right colors. See, I'm adding some raw sienna to get in these color variations that we also need to have here. See, I'm twisting the brush. I'm having just a bit of color here and there on the edge, really blending kind of into the already put on color that we put on before. And here now, it's basically, painting kind of an apple shape-wise. And then going in and mixing some a bit lighter color and start to build up the bubble on the bubble, kind of. That might sound a bit weird, but you see, with just a bit of a darker color on the edge, you, kind of start to build up the volume. And here now I'm, realizing I need to get darker again. You see, I'm grabbing a bit more of this blue and this grayish color here, and start to build up the next layer, the next kind of bubble, kind of fleshing it out a bit more. This is a very important thing, to kind of reassess what you need to do to kind of mix the right color again, to get in just those bubbles. But really be aware and don't overdo it. You can go too dark, or even not too dark enough. But very important here on the right side. See me switching to a larger brush, again a very soft one. As you have a bit of a larger cloud bubbles here, I'm putting on the color, see here, very rough, and start to kind of fine blend it with the bit of a larger brush here. You see, I'm constantly reworking parts here and there. A bit further down the road, we start to build up the color on this bit more of a brownish cloud body here. See, I'm getting a bit darker. I'm kind of building up the next layer of cloud here, and this color is kind of getting a bit closer towards the color that we have to apply later on. This very dark purplish colors, and by just adding some more darker colors here and there, you can really easily give the whole thing another dimension, another level of depth. I remixed this purplish color here, and start to build up now the cloud bodies in the front part. See, they're very purplish because they are not kind of sunlit in this area here. They are kind of in the shadow area. Therefore, you need this very dark color, but you still want to let them emerge from the background. And you also need and want some color variation there to really make them flesh out, to really make them bubbly, round, and give them volume. And therefore I first went in, have this dark color in, and then I'm switching back and getting in some lighter colors here and there, getting more to the front, getting in some dark colors again. See this one here? Kind of, you need to really make it visible for the viewer that you have different levels of clouds here, kind of floating around. So getting in this darker color, and then blending from the lighter to the darker area again. Kind of building up those bubbles, more or less. And this is a good thing when you got this principle. It's really easy to kind of paint along the reference photo, but come up with your own version of those bubbles here. I mean, it would take forever to really paint, to copy kind of a cloud photo that you have here. You can really just give it your own version. you also see that we have quite a lot of subtle in-between tones here that we also kind of fine blend, you see, grabbing another large brush and start to really rework areas, blending them, softening down the edges here and there, reshaping some areas. And then I'm connecting the very dark colors in the front to the colors in the back, you can see here. Just needed some connection, but we still need to put in those bubbles, definitely. And that's what I do here with a smaller brush. See, by walking back and forth and building up the volume. That's the finished painting. So that's it for today. Before you leave, hit that like button, the subscribe button, and also if you're interested in seeing this video here in the full-time version, join my Patreon, link is down below here, where we have meanwhile over 120 full-time real-time tutorials. Make sure to check it out.